Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So I am back with another video, and today's video is actually going to be a review slash a giveaway on the products that I am reviewing. Okay, so recently a company by the name of High Beauty Concepts reached out to me to send me their gold convertible flat iron as well as their Sky Styler curling iron. Okay, so the packaging was so beautiful, and really quick I'm going to insert some clips of the packaging of both the flat iron as well as the curling iron, and then we will get back into the review. Okay, presentation is everything, and High Beauty Concept has some bomb packaging. I was so impressed. Look at the velvet. Okay, look at that sleek black handle, that swivel cord. Look at the print on the curling iron itself. Like, they really did a great job. Now, this is the flat iron, the gold convertible flat iron, and again, I was very impressed with the packaging. Just very sleek, straight to the point. That black and gold just makes it look royal. It was very, very nicely packaged, and honestly the quality on both the curling iron and the flat iron are amazing. Now, the curling iron was the first thing that I used, and I was so impressed, and honestly I would like to say and put this on record that this is the best curling iron that I have ever owned. A lot of times when I get curling irons, the hair gets stuck to the plates. A lot of times when I get curling irons, the hair doesn't stay in the plates when I'm trying to curl. But for some reason, this curling iron has so much grip. Okay, I think the style of the curling iron is really, really pretty. Like, I've never seen a curling iron with like a design on the actual plates, but when you put the hair in the plates, it literally does not move, so my hair does not slip when I'm trying to turn it around to get to the rest of the hair. It curls beautifully, it holds nicely, it gets hot, it is very sleek, very comfortable. It has a swivel cord, which is amazing. And if you want to see a curling iron tutorial with me using this curling iron, I will definitely have a link down in the bottom bar, because I already did one I think a few weeks ago, like a week or two ago. Okay, and the flat iron, I did not yet do a tutorial using it, but if you would like to see one, definitely let me know. I usually stick to ceramic irons, but I did try this out and I really like this as well. To me, the size of it is perfect because you're able to get to more hair fastly. I didn't have any issues with my hair getting stuck in a flat iron. It went through smoothly, and it flat ironed my hair really, really nicely, as if I used a ceramic iron. So I'm very, very happy with both of these items, and the company was kind enough to give me a coupon code, which is Beauty1. You will receive 20% off of your purchase up until I think the last day of May. Okay, so if you want to get the curling iron or the flat iron, I definitely think it is worth it, and I will have all that information down in the description bar for you. So the company is kind enough to be giving away one gold convertible flat iron as well as one silk styler curling iron to someone. Okay, they also said only domestics only, so you have to be in the USA. I'm sorry, it's not an international giveaway. That's not up to me because they are sending you these products, so I'm so sorry about that, but I'm pretty sure I have more giveaways in the future that are international. You have to be 13 years of age or older to enter. I'm gonna make it super duper simple. I want you to go watch the tutorial on the curling iron. Tell me what you thought about it in the comments. Leave your email address there, and that will be it. Also comment and like this video, subscribe. You know, you have to be a subscriber, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I have a new upload. I will be uploading way more because I was just uninspired for a while, but like I'm getting the juices is flowing. Okay, and if you like my outfit, like you want to see the whole entire outfit, like, because I don't do like I don't do any outfit of the days, but if you want to see outfit of the days and stuff like that, definitely follow me on Instagram because you get to see my whole look, and I'm starting to post more full body shots now that it's getting hotter. Okay, so definitely go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I'll have those down in the bottom bar for you. So yeah, it's gonna be a super duper quick, simple giveaway, and of course we're going to reach out to the giveaway winners via email, so definitely don't forget to leave your email. Thank you so much to High Beauty Concepts for actually doing this giveaway and sending me the products, because I really love them and they are great quality, like 2 of the best that I have in my whole collection, because I have so many hair products, it's not even funny. So yeah, I'm super happy to have this, add this to my collection. I thank y'all so much for watching. I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.